Welcome back everyone to my channel. So today I'm going to show you another app that has been created by me, and we are so close to 200 subs, so don't forget to leave a sub. It really motivates me to make more videos. So back to the app. It's a phone caller app, as you can see on the screen. So this video is also sponsored by Arsenic. It is one of my friend's brand, and you can see there are many products here like shirts, mugs, trousers, water bottle, cups and all. So please buy things from here, and the prices are quite good. And don't forget to check out the page. The link will be in the description. So yeah, thanks for Arsenic for sponsoring this video. Screen, I have to click on call someone button, and here you can see everything. The interface, it's a simple app. You're here, this is the numpad. You can type in a number here. I'm just typing random numbers, and you can long press the cross button to delete all, or press it one by one. And yeah, now I will choose one number from my contacts. Here I'll choose it, and I can't show you the actual call here because it will get muted here, so I will just show you, and you can try the calling out for yourself. So yeah, that's how the app works, and try it out for yourself. I will leave the download link in the description down below. So that's it for today. Please like and share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.